Hello students, welcome in physical education class. Today we are going to discuss about the open book test which was given earlier, and we have already discussed about the MCQs question number 1 to 11. Today we are going to move forward. There question number 12 was explain about any three international level competitions. In this question you had to answer that which are our three national level competitions. Now, India organizes so many national level competition in so many games, in which the famous three competitions are: first is IPL, Indian Premier League. As you know, this is based on the cricket, and this league started a new format of cricket which is called 2020, right? And IPL's last session was, we can say 12th edition was uh, organized in March to May 2019, right? This year it couldn't be held just because of the COVID-19. Okay, so this is the famous and popular in India, and not only in India, in over world. Okay, the second thing or second national level competition is Pro Kabaddi League. As you know, Kabaddi is our traditional game. To promote Kabaddi, Indian government has started, or we can say sports authorities has started the Kabaddi League, and which is named by the Pro Kabaddi League. And it was established in the year 2014. The next tournament, which is very famous, that is ISL, Indian Super League. Okay, yeah, this is league. Okay, Indian Super League is a professional soccer. Soccer means we named football as soccer, right? This is a famous sports of football in India. This is same like IPL. Okay, to promote the other games in India, the sports authorities started these kinds of national tournament, through which we can also develop the other games, right? In India cricket is very famous, but other games are not popular, so they started these kinds of league. The third national level competition is ISL, Indian Super League, which is based on the football. And in this competition 10 teams participated, right? Okay, next is question number 13. Write a short note on Olympic flag. Okay, this is a very interesting question. Olympic flag. It was created in 1913 and it was designed by the Baron Pierre de Coubertin, who started the modern Olympic Games, right? And it was inaugurated in June 1914 after 1 year of uh, design, right? But it was hosted first time in Olympic Stadium at Antwerp Games, which were held in 1920. Why not in 1916? Because that year Olympic Games couldn't be held just because of the World War. Okay, in this flag there are five interlocking rings. Interlocking of rings represent the uh, unity of the different continents, and there are five rings which represent the five continents. It was also a question in the MCQs, right? So five interlocking rings represent the five continents of the world, and the Olympic flag is made up by the white color and of the silk, right? These colors or white color represent peace, and the other colors, it means I'm talking about the color of the rings. These are red, blue, green, yellow and black. Okay, which represented America, Asia, Africa, Australia and Europe, right? These are the five continents. It is hosted at each celebration of the game. It means whenever Olympics started, it is hosted in the stadium, right? Okay, question number 14. Define physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Meaning of physical fitness. Whenever we talk about the physical fitness, it means that time we are talking about the a person's capacity to do the work. But in the fitness, there are lots of things which are, if a person is doing his or her daily routine work, and if he or she has some extra energy to do the emergency work, and after doing that emergency work, if they have uh, capability to recover very quickly, that condition of a person is known as physical fitness, right? The next is meaning of wellness. Whenever we talk about the wellness, it means if a person is having healthy mind and healthy body, or we can say sound mind and sound body, that condition of a person is known of wellness. Or we can say being physical, mental, and social health is known as wellness. Okay, next topic is meaning of lifestyle. Lifestyle is a manner of living in a simple line or simple language. It means in which condition, in which environment, and the way of living is called lifestyle, right? These all things shows the value of and attitude of a person. Definitely, our environment, our way of living affects our lifestyle, right? If we are living in a healthy surrounding, then our lifestyle will be good. If we are doing the regular exercises and the regular physical activities, then that time our lifestyle will be good. But in the same time, if we are not living in a same good surrounding, and we are not doing the physical activities, we are living in a bored life, that time our lifestyle will be not good. Okay, these were the topic for today. We discussed the questions which were in the 3 marks. In the next video, we will discuss about the long answer type question. Thank you.